Eric here from OTB Powersports. Today I'm going to show you our latest addition to the OTB Bridge. What you're looking at is the configuration editor software for the E.P.O.C system. E.P.O.C stands for Engine Parameter Output Control. The E.P.O.C system allows you to control the bridge outputs on and off based on any of the engine operating parameters. With this system you can take up to 2 engine operating parameters, set limits, and turn outputs on and off. This is really useful for controlling things like engine fans, nitrous oxide, water methanol injection for turbo applications, and even auxiliary warning lights. I'm sure that you car builders out there can come up with all kinds of good uses for this control system. Let's take a look at the software and see exactly how this control system works. First off, let's go over the logic. We have when an engine operating parameter is greater than your specified value and or another engine operating parameter is greater than, less than, or equal to your specified value, turn on and off the selected output. So for example, the first line would be a nitrous oxide trigger. That's what we kind of set this up as. When engine RPM is greater than 5,000 and the throttle position percentage is greater than 95%, turn on output 7, which you have wired to your nitrous controller. The second example would be useful for an auxiliary fan or even controlling a stock fan. When the engine temp is greater than 190 degrees, output 2 turns on. Output 2 will be wired to the auxiliary fan or the stock fan even. The third line is an example of a water methanol injection for a turbo application. When the intake air temperature is greater than 130 degrees and the manifold pressure is greater than 6 pounds of boost, turn on output 3, which would be wired to your electric water pump on your methanol injection system. Line 4 is an example of how you'd hook up a light bar without even tapping into the factory wiring. So you select the factory high beam switch state and you set that equal to 1, which is 1 is an on and 0 is an off. And this would set this to output 4, and this would set that up for you. These controls are so flexible you can do things that don't even make sense. For example, on the 5th line you could activate an output if the vehicle's in high gear and the fuel level is greater than 25%. Don't know what you could use that for, but our goal here with the E.P.O.C system is to give you the ultimate in accessory control. If you have any questions about the E.P.O.C system for the bridge or want to know more, please feel free to give us a call at 406-589-4475 or send us an email to sales@otbpowersports.com. Thanks for watching, and we hope the E.P.O.C system can help you get the impossible accomplished.